Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the Human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence, November 4th. And what is good, Phaedrus? And what is not good? Need we ask anyone to tell us these things? Robert M. Pirsig, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. After the election, some will say that the outcome is bad for the country, and some will say it is good. Talking heads and mouthpieces will discuss and analyze and scream, and it doesn't matter. You know what is best for you and your family. Focus on that. You know what will help make your community safer and stronger. You don't need someone in Washington telling you the difference between right and wrong. You know what is good and what is not. Do what should be doing to become excellent instead of looking at liars and others to tell you what is good. I'm Joe Templin, the Human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.